Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new project in Google AI Studio and uploading your assets. This gets you into the editor fast. Add video clips, voice tracks, and images so the timeline is ready, because having everything imported prevents later delays. Once done, set file formats to MP4 and WAV where possible and confirm permissions for storage and microphone access. This avoids export failures. Make sure to pick a destination folder now so you can reference it during render. You now edit on the timeline. Trim clips, reorder scenes, and insert transitions to shape your story, because structure matters for pacing. Next, apply AI features like automatic captions, background removal, and color matching. These speed up polish while keeping consistency. When the AI generates a voice or music bed, adjust levels and timing, preview at half speed or 1.5 speed to catch sync issues. Make sure to lock tracks you don't want modified before bulk AI edits. You finish by selecting export settings. Pick 1080ph, 264 for wide compatibility or 4K HEVC for higher quality, and start a quick preview export to verify. Watch the exported file and confirm captions, audio sync, and color grading. This final check saves time before publishing. If you hit export errors or artifacts, clear the app cache, re-upload the problematic asset, or lower the bitrate and try again. These steps resolve most failures and get you back to a clean final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.